Hey boys and girls, this is Miss Williams and I am doing a video for the literacy. Hopefully you were able to get your materials for this 6 weeks. If not, just contact your teacher to see what things you need. I know that we copied a literacy packet to go with the letters we'll be reviewing this week. We won't use my View workbook yet for Unit 4 or K.4. The district wants us to review. So we'll be reviewing K.1 this week, 6 weeks. This is the fourth 6 weeks. This is week 2. Had a lot of technical difficulties with um, our internet in the district, and then also my personal internet, and then also the Pearson reading program that we're using. We couldn't access a lot of the things, but for now it's working, so that's a good thing. So hopefully we can all review and get back on track. The first thing is our focus is making sure we know our letters A to Z, uppercase and lowercase, or big and little letters, making sure that they know their sounds and are able to recognize those sounds quickly so that when they're reading they can use those to sound out words. It just helps with learning to read and gives them some tools for reading. Also, make sure that you check them and test them on the letters out of order, so that they're not just singing the ABC song. So just randomly pick different letters and ask them what's the letter, also the sound. The big focus is the sounds. Also, high frequency words. We have lists that we've sent home. If you don't have them, you can ask your teacher. I know I've sent home several pages of words to practice. Just let them do one page at a time and maybe 10 words, and then go to the next 10. Also review, because sometimes they forget those sight words or high frequency words. Also remember to use Pathblazers for reading and math. All they have to do is go to the app page, their launch pad class link, where they usually access the Google Classroom. There's an icon for Pathblazers. They should know. It looks like an oil lamp, and they can click there to work on their lessons. Also, after school, before school, during school, they can access it. Google Classroom, just remember to check Google Classroom for your lessons and activities that you may need. And we try to at least have it posted by Monday morning. This is just the Pathblazers. It's required for the students to use to help them with their reading and math. Here's the letters to practice. Let's do the letters out of order. Ready? G, F, E, D, C, B, A, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, Z, Y, X, W, V. Then the lowercase letters. Ready? Z, Y, X, W, V. U, T, S, R, Q, P, O. N, M, L, K, J, I, H. G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Then you can use either upper or lowercase and work on your sounds. And ready? And we're going to do them out of order. G, 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 F, E, 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 D, 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 C, B, B, A, 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 makes two sounds. N, N, M, N, L, K, J, 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 I, I, H, U, uh, U, T, 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 S, 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 R, Q, P, O, R, O, Z, Z, Y, 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 X, 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 W, V, V. So make sure you practice all of your sounds. It's very important. Okay, next there's a video. You can just look it up for Have Fun Teaching, and it's an alphabet song or phonics song, and this will just help them to be able to practice those sounds. Okay, here's some of our sight words. Our words this week are like, to, and a. And so we have like, to, and a. And then since we're reviewing Unit 1, we'll go over Unit 1 words and also Unit 2 words. Ready? I am the, like, to, a, have, is, he, make, we, my, with, be, for, look, see, she. So they need to practice these words and be able to look at them and know the word quickly. And this will help them in their reading. When they see these words, they'll be able to just read them quickly. Also, you can put them on index cards and do flashcards to practice. You can call them out and let them spell the words. Find the words in books or stories as well. Okay, let's do the next one, Unit 2. Ready? Are, that, of, do, you, they, 3, 2, 1, 4, 5, here, yellow, from, go, blue, green, what. And so I was just thinking that a lot of times you'll see words that are the first letter may be capital and it's still the same word. So if this H is a capital H, they have to be able to recognize that this word is here. If it's a capital T, this word is they, and so it's still the same. And so that's why it's important for them to know their capital letters as well, so that when they see these words and if that word is a capital letter, they know that it's still the same word even though it's not the lowercase letter. And also remember, you can write the words on index cards for your child to learn. There are some more lists that they can practice. This week we're working on the letters A and S. So we have a vowel and then we have a consonant S. Last week we were working on letter M and letter T. And it says, can you think of things that start with M? Write the items in your journal. What sound does M make? Can you think of 10 things that start with T? Write the items in your journal. What sound does T make? Can you think of things that start with A and S? Write the items in your journal. Write the items in your journal. What sound does A and S make? So think about things that start with each of the letters. Find your journal, and then you can draw the picture, write the word. You can write the word in a sentence. But I noticed some kids are having trouble with coming up with things that start with the letter. So try to think of things that start with each of the letters we have for week 1 and week 2. And we have our sound rainforest game, sort the sounds. Then we have a little keyboard where they can use to move and make the words. And I've added a list that I'll show you of CVC words that they can use to sound out words. And I put the link in the Google Classroom, and then I can send it to your teacher so that they can add it to their Google Classroom, and they can just slide and pull to the screen to make words instead of always having to write the words. And so it'll look like this. Like if we did the word top, they can just use the screen. T-O-P. We're doing job. J-J-Ob. So even though they use the vowel, they can still repeat and use it again. And I created a list that you can use some words that you can call out and let them practice sounding out the words. And so hopefully the link will work for you. Let me know if it uh, doesn't work so I can see if I can fix the link for the kids to use. Next we have compound words, word parts, and they can draw and write the words in their journal. Like if we did lady and bug, and then the word is ladybug. Bat, man, and then put it together, Batman. Okay, here's the list of the CV words that they can use. You can either call them out or you can use the link for the kids to slide the letter tiles to the screen to make words. Some kids are ready to use them in sentences, so they can pick a word, or you can give them a word and tell them to use it in a sentence. They can do it orally, or they can write it in their journal. And so since we're doing letter A, I tried to include words that had A in the middle. Also, I used some words that were just CVC words. And so here I had can, man, fan, rat, mat, cat. For week 1, here were some words that we used in our lesson. And then here are some more additional words for week 2, like sack, bag, map, tap, mom. And you can look also in their K.1 workbook and use some of the pictures to use for their sounding out their words as well. Rhyming words, we have rhyming words, and this is one of the videos. Do they rhyme? And it's a bat, bat, did, fish, sorry, born, yarn. Do they rhyme?